Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with and get the VIP access and make good profit. Last week our Telegram group made good profit with the gold trading. You can also join with and get the VIP access and make massive profit from the accurate goal signals analysis. So I am in a daily chart goal. You can see this is the technically set up. This is the trend line. Price reacted several times to this trend line and go to the upside. So uptrend is continuing goal. This is the daily chart. This trend line price is in this trend line last week, dropped to the this trend line and is still not break to the trend line to the below side. So I am hoping next week with the FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve's federal fund rate is there next week, 1st of May. So I am hoping with the dollar demand, this trend line will break out and the gold to the gold drop to the below side. That's the my hoping next week. So technically wait for the breakout and retest and not breakout, continue to the upside with the market uncertainty, gold demand. That is the gold demand with the market risk of sentiment and uncertainty is continuing next week. So two options technically. What is the economic data next week? We see most important next week most economic event is the federal funds rate. That's the next Wednesday, 1st of May. That's the FOMC meeting is will be there. That's the 5.5 is the current dollar rate. Federal Reserve American Central Bank forecast to the post the rate again 5.5. Let's see the Fed watch tool website. What is the forecast? What is the interest rate price forecast into the market? So 5.5, this is the Fed watch tool website. I am going to the May FMC forecast. That's the 97%. You can see almost 100% forecast to post the rate in May FMC meeting. That's the sixth time Fed going to the post the rate on 5.5 rate. That is the reason for dollar demand. Let's see the next FOMC meeting, June FOMC meeting, also 88%, almost 90% forecast to post the rate again. And let's see the July FOMC meeting, it is although above 60% forecast to post the rate against. The reason is the inflation is the 3.5% is the current now, 2% is the Fed the inflation goal. So inflation increase, Fed forecast to post the rate continue maintain the 5.5 rate. 5.5 rate will be maintained. That will be reason for dollar demand. So I'm hoping next week with the FOMC meeting, Fed conference files speech, dollar will be demand next week this event. So that's the economic event you should touch with the dollar if you are trading gold. So and also there's the more volatile economic events is the non-farm employment change data. That is also in the next Friday. 303k is the last figure. Fed expect to drop to 243k and the unemployment rate is the 3.8% and Fed forecast to 3.8% against this the labor market data also in next week. So more volatile economic events data next week with regarding US dollar you should touch if we are trading gold. So let's see the what is the technically set of technically picture what is saying gold going to the upside or downside. So I am in a go to the 4 hour chart. This is a 4 hour chart. I am using Fibonacci. So this movement last week price dropped to the below side. This movement high to low, that is I am seeing 0.618. That's the golden zone price as reacted and 0.5% 5 level is there. So price retest this area, 2340 3550 level. That is the 0.5 level, so I am expecting retest this area and dropped again next week. So that's the Fibonacci level with this last week drop movement. So I am going to the line chart for you a clear picture. This is the line chart for our, you can see the left side rest support area. This supports will be, can be resistance in the downside. This is simple technical theory. This is the support level, you can see left side. This is the support level, can be resistant 2335 level. This is also support level, it can be resistance in the right side and price drop to the below side. So that's the I am hoping. So 2300 is the my next level target. So I'm seeing gold sell opportunity next week also. This is the my technically set up with the combined with the fundamentals economic data next week. FOMC Fed's conference funds rates, it's there, you should touch with. This is the setup with the economics data. So now I am telling you the other side. So that's the next level target 2300 plus target 2275 is the next level target with the economic data, that is IMC. So other side is the gold is a safe haven asset, that's the safe haven commodity gold. The Iran Israel war is the continuing, that will be continuing in next week. That is the reason for gold demand, because of market uncertainty will be continuing, risks of sentiment will create, that is reason for gold demand to the upside. That is the, you should remember, gold is the safe haven asset. This is my other side option. Thus the war, Iran Israel war continuing next week, that is reason for economic data invalid and gold demand as the safe haven asset 2400 is the target. That's my two options with the economic data and gold as the safe haven asset. So you can join with my Telegram link, accurate gold signals analysis as always. So thank you very